Welcome to Product Plus. From versatile charcuterie boards to innovative kitchen gadgets like pineapple corers, rotary cheese graters, and electric warming mats, these top-rated tools make cooking, baking, and entertaining easier, safer, and more enjoyable. With durable designs, they're perfect for every modern kitchen. All products links in the description section below. Keeping your ingredients fresher for longer doesn't just save you money, it makes everyday cooking feel lighter and more organized. With a compact vacuum sealer like this, you can tuck away leftovers, prep weekly meals, or portion snacks for busy days without cluttering your kitchen. It blends right into a modern lifestyle, especially if you love meal planning or minimizing waste. Whether you're storing veggies, meats, or marinating on the go, it's surprisingly handy enough to reach for daily. And with a price of $49.99, it's worth giving this smart little helper a try today. Tea time becomes more than a simple habit when you use something that adds charm and ease to the moment. This magnetic lid teapot fits effortlessly into a peaceful, organized lifestyle perfect for slow mornings, relaxing study sessions, or sharing warm pours with friends. Its clean, drip-free design and smooth brewing process make loose-leaf tea feel surprisingly simple, encouraging you to enjoy it more often. Crafted with elegant materials, it elevates any setting without trying too hard. And with a price of $33.81, it's a lovely upgrade worth enjoying every single day. Cooking feels a lot more enjoyable when the tools you rely on are sharp, balanced, and easy to reach. A complete knife set like this fits perfectly into a busy, modern kitchen whether you're meal prepping for the week, trying new recipes, or just slicing up quick snacks. The built-in sharpener and dishwasher-safe design make everyday use feel effortless, helping you stay organized and confident while cooking. It's the kind of upgrade that quickly becomes part of your routine. And with a price of $39.99, it brings reliable performance into your kitchen every day. Keeping your kitchen running smoothly often comes down to small habits, like saving clean cooking oil instead of tossing it out. A simple, multi-purpose oil strainer pot makes that process feel effortless, perfect for anyone who enjoys frying, grilling, or batching homemade sauces. Its fine mesh filter, easy pour design, and sturdy build fit right into a tidy, efficient cooking routine, whether you're meal prepping or hosting friends. It's surprisingly handy for everyday use and even outdoor cooking. And with a price of $21.49, it's a smart upgrade for your kitchen setup today. Entertaining becomes so much easier and a lot more fun when you have a board that instantly elevates the whole spread. This extra-large charcuterie set fits perfectly into cozy family nights, lively gatherings, or elegant celebrations, giving you plenty of space to get creative with cheeses, fruits, dips, and snacks. The magnetic design and handy accessories make arranging everything feel effortless, even if you're not a pro host. It's the kind of piece that quickly becomes your go-to for every occasion. And with a price of $35.99, it adds stylish convenience to every hosting moment. Fresh pineapple instantly makes snacks, smoothies, and desserts feel brighter, but cutting one can be a hassle. That's why a simple corer like this fits perfectly into a fresh, easygoing kitchen routine. Whether you're prepping fruit for the kids, making weekend brunch, or adding juicy rings to a summer recipe, it turns a once messy task into quick, clean slices. Its sturdy design and effortless twisting motion make it surprisingly fun to use, encouraging you to enjoy more fresh fruit. And with a price of $14.99, it brings convenient simplicity to everyday prep. Sometimes it's the tiny kitchen tools that make everyday routine surprisingly satisfying, like adding a quick squeeze of fresh lime to drinks, tacos, or salads. This cute bird-shaped squeezer fits perfectly into a relaxed, cheerful cooking style, giving you effortless citrus flavor without any mess. Lightweight and portable, It's great for home kitchens, bar setups, or even slipping into a picnic bag. Its simple press and pour motion makes fresh juice feel easy anytime. It's a fun little upgrade you'll reach for more often than you expect. And with a price of $18.99, it brightens every moment effortlessly. Turning a tough cut of meat into a tender, flavorful dish doesn't have to be a challenge. This compact meat tenderizer fits seamlessly into an efficient, home cooking lifestyle, making BBQs, weeknight dinners, and special meals easier and more enjoyable. Its sharp stainless steel needles help marinades soak in quickly and reduce cooking time, giving you juicier results without extra effort. Lightweight and easy to clean, it becomes a tool you'll reach for often. And with a price of $9.99, it's a small upgrade that transforms every meal effortlessly today. Cheese can elevate any meal, but slicing it evenly can feel like a chore until you have the right tool. This adjustable wire slicer makes prepping cheese effortless, whether you're assembling a charcuterie board, making grilled sandwiches, or topping a salad. Its sturdy construction and ergonomic design fit naturally into a busy, home cooking lifestyle, giving you precise slices every time without hassle. Lightweight and easy to use, it quickly becomes a kitchen favorite. And with a price of $18.99, it's a small upgrade that enhances every dish beautifully today. There's nothing quite like starting the day with a perfectly frothed latte, cappuccino, or hot chocolate, and a handy tool can make that ritual effortless. This rechargeable handheld milk frother fits seamlessly into a busy, home coffee lifestyle, letting you create creamy foam in seconds for drinks, shakes, or even matcha. Its compact, lightweight design makes it easy to use, clean, and store, so you'll reach for it daily. Stylish, practical, and reliable, it transforms ordinary drinks into something special. And with a price of $19.99, it brings cafe-quality foam to every morning routine today. Accurate measurements make all the difference in cooking and baking, and having tools that are easy to use can completely change your kitchen experience. These magnetic measuring cups fit perfectly into an organized, efficient lifestyle, keeping counters clutter-free while giving precise measurements every time. Whether you're baking from scratch, preparing sauces, or counting calories, their durable stainless steel design and easy-to-read markings make cooking enjoyable and stress-free. Compact, practical, and built to last, they become a go-to kitchen companion. And with a price of $19.99, they bring convenience and precision to every recipe today. Rinsing, draining, and straining can feel like small chores, but the right tool makes a big difference in everyday cooking. This stainless steel colander strainer fits seamlessly into an efficient, organized kitchen routine, letting you prep pasta, vegetables, rice, and other ingredients quickly and cleanly. Its fine mesh and expandable handles make it practical for any sink, while its collapsible design keeps storage simple, durable, and easy to clean. It's a tool you'll reach for daily. And with a price of $19.99, it makes kitchen prep effortless every single day. Keeping butter fresh and accessible can make everyday meals a little smoother and more enjoyable. This airtight butter dish fits perfectly into a modern, organized kitchen, whether on the countertop or in the fridge. Its secure latching system, measurement markings, and non-slip base make scooping, spreading, and storing butter effortless, helping you reduce waste and stay efficient. Practical, durable, and easy to clean, it quickly becomes a small but indispensable kitchen companion. And with a price of $9.48, it brings convenience and freshness to every meal today. Grating cheese or slicing vegetables can be time-consuming, but this rotary cheese grater makes it effortless and safe. With its multiple interchangeable blades, it fits seamlessly into a busy, home cooking lifestyle, letting you shred, slice, and julienne with precision. The suction base and food pusher keep hands safe while keeping your prep area tidy. Compact, durable, and easy to clean, it's a tool you'll reach for daily to simplify meals and impress guests. And with a price of $28.99, it turns everyday cooking into effortless culinary enjoyment today. Hosting gatherings or keeping drinks accessible for the family is effortless with these large-capacity drink dispensers. Their dual 1-gallon containers make serving lemonade, iced tea, juice, or water simple and mess-free, while the leak-proof spigots and ice compartments keep beverages perfectly chilled. Durable, easy to clean, and stylishly transparent, they fit seamlessly into both casual and elegant settings. Practical for parties or daily hydration, they help you stay refreshed with minimal effort. And with a price of $31.99, they bring convenience and style to every occasion today. Elevate your cooking experience with this gravity-powered electric salt and pepper grinder set. Its sleek, modern design fits beautifully into any kitchen, while one-handed operation and adjustable coarseness make seasoning effortless. The warm LED light ensures precision even in dim settings, and the battery-powered efficiency keeps you moving smoothly from prep to plate. Whether for everyday meals or entertaining, it adds convenience and style to every dish. Durable, practical, and fun to use, this set is ready to transform your kitchen routines at a price of $24.99 today and beyond. Elevate your kitchen experience with this stylish glass honey dispenser, crafted for both elegance and practicality. Its stainless steel shaft ensures safe, clean contact with food, while the sleek silver ABS lid adds a modern touch. Designed for effortless, mess-free drizzling, it pours honey smoothly onto tea, pancakes, or desserts without sticky spills. The airtight container keeps contents fresh and can also store syrup, sugar, or other liquid sweeteners. Perfectly packaged, it makes a thoughtful gift for weddings, housewarmings, or holidays. Enjoy convenience, durability, and sophistication for just $23.95. Keep your food perfectly warm with the electric warming mat from Lod Life, featuring 7 adjustable temperature settings, 100 from minus to 112 degrees Fahrenheit for precise control up to 99 hours. Its durable, roll-up silicone design is portable and foldable, ideal for buffets, parties, or everyday use. Safe and convenient, it includes a child lock to prevent accidental changes. Compatible with glass, ceramic, plastic, and stainless steel containers, the 24x16-inch surface heats evenly in just 8 seconds. Stylish, easy to clean, and built to last, priced at $39.99, it's a must-have kitchen accessory. Upgrade your baking experience with the HongBake 9-piece baking pan set, featuring elegant diamond-textured non-stick surfaces for even heating and effortless food release. This versatile set includes a cookie sheet with rack, cake pans, muffin tin, roasting pan, and more, all made from durable, toxin-free carbon steel that resists warping and rust. Perfect for baking, roasting, and entertaining, it combines practicality with style. Easy to clean and designed for long-lasting use, priced at $59.99, it's an essential addition to any modern kitchen collection today. Master your grilling with the Replica BBQ grill gloves, crafted from food-grade neoprene for heat, oil, water, and stain resistance up to 930 degrees Fahrenheit. Featuring a 14-inch sleeve, double-layer insulation, and textured palms, they provide a secure, comfortable grip for handling hot meat, rotisserie chickens, or deep frying tasks. Effortlessly manage hot liquids and steam while protecting your hands and forearms. Waterproof and easy to clean, these versatile gloves are perfect for BBQ enthusiasts or as gifts. Priced at $28.99, they're essential for safe, confident, and enjoyable grilling today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing home, kitchen, and smart gadgets finds. Like the video and share your thoughts in the comments section below.